Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinomi wallet application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Coinomi wallet application on your Android device, tap open your Play Store. Once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in Coinomi in the search box. Once you perform your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. Tap the install button to begin the downloading process for Coinomi wallet. Coinomi is a security-first multi-chain wallet for both mobile and desktop. Users can have full control over their private keys with the wallet. You can securely store, exchange, and manage multiple cryptocurrencies quick and easy once you have the wallet installed on a mobile device. Soon the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch the app open, and that is how you'll be able to download the Coinomi wallet app using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.